At Hilti, we strive for change. Around the world, our innovations have shaped how work is done on today's job sites. Today, our ambition remains as strong as ever, to drive productivity through innovation. With BIM, we've already entered the age of digital planning. What if we could use the same data to not only streamline processes, but simplify trade collaboration and automate repetitive and strenuous tasks? Now our vision becomes reality. Introducing the Hilti Jaibot, a semi-autonomous drilling robot for ceiling installations, helping you to deliver MEP projects on time. Let's not wait for the future to come. Let's shape it together.
Hello everyone, I'm RAFAEL GARCIA, Senior Vice President of Marketing for Hilti North America. We are extremely excited to introduce you to our latest Hilti innovation, Jaibot, a job site robotics solution that can help change how customers design, build, and operate on job sites now and into the future. This is an all-new category for Hilti and the first of many commitments in enabling robotics and job site automation in construction. In our ongoing journey to help customers increase productivity, improve job site safety, and address skilled labor shortages, we're committed to delivering innovative solutions supporting job site automation and human augmentation, as you have previously seen with our release of the EXO-01 wearable exoskeleton and now Jaibot. This is another step into fully realizing the BIM to field concept. Contractors will be able to more seamlessly get the information from design directly to execution with the Jaibot and then record exactly where and what has been drilled on site for progress monitoring and documentation of work completed. We selected this application of overhead drilling as our initial focus on robotics technology because it can be highly repetitive, physically demanding and work on workers and has high potential for safety issues. Jaibot will help construction professionals further improve the productivity and safety of our applications, especially where precision and consistency are important. In today's construction environment, the industry is facing shorter project timelines, tighter profit margins, and a shortage of skilled labor, driving the need to do more with less. Especially now with the global pandemic limiting the number of workers on the job site, contractors are actively looking to technology to help protect their workers and drive productivity. Jaibot comes at a time when more contractors than ever in North America are implementing project infrastructure and digital capabilities to successfully leverage the innovation on their projects today. The introduction of the exciting new technology along with other solutions for human augmentation have come at a perfect time to help contractors adapt to the changing phase of modern construction. Now I would like to turn it over to Jan DOONGAJI, member of the Hilti Executive Board, and Thomas Hilbrand, our business unit head of the team located in Schaan, Liechtenstein, that developed Jaibot.
We all agree that our industry is facing significant challenges in the future, such as a shortage of skilled labor, health and safety issues, and also stagnant productivity. Now, as opposed to other industries, construction by and large is today less productive than a couple of decades ago. This is thus a game-changing opportunity which we, as innovation leader, want to drive. We always strive to offer holistic solutions to our customers. With the Jaibot, we can finally digitalize the missing gap in the entire value chain from planning to implementation on the job site. In true Hilti tradition, we can make these steps towards our digitalized future together with our customers. With more than 20,000 customer-facing team members worldwide, we understand the needs of our customers like no one else. Like with all our other innovations, we will use this unique asset of 20,000 team members customer-facing worldwide to help our customers adapt to and then also profit from the many advantages that digitalization has to offer in the years to come.
Hilti is all about creating enthusiastic customers by solving their pain points through differentiated solutions. And throughout our rich history, we have a strong track record in Hilti of groundbreaking innovation and industry firsts. And robotics is yet just another example of how we substantially increase customer productivity by introducing new ways of working and new technologies. We know from our customers as we interact with them that they struggle with delivering their projects in time, within the budget, in consistent quality, and without anyone getting injured. And with robotics, we address all these pain points at the same time. Through the automation of key processes such as drilling, we can not only significantly reduce the entire throughput time of the project, but we also can guarantee a much higher reliability of finishing the project in schedule. And in addition, all the boreholes are precisely positioned and of consistent quality, and we avoid all the typical traps and risks associated with overhead drilling. So in a nutshell, it's pure productivity that we deliver with robotics. So we are very much excited that now Hilti brings robotics also to construction, and we are very much looking forward to deeply engage with our customers to achieve a fast adoption of this fascinating new technology across job sites in the entire world.
Thank you, Jan and Thomas. The investment in robotics means it's an exciting time to be at Hilti, and this is just the start. Robotics technology has a near limitless application future within the construction industry. And with our deep knowledge of construction applications and pain points on job sites, we will quickly make a difference for our customers. Jaibot is an easy-to-use system that will require minimal training. To go through a bit more details on how Jaibot works, I'll turn it over to AIDAN MAGUIRE, Business Unit Manager for Measuring Systems in North America.
Thank you, RAFAEL. Hello, my name is AIDAN MAGUIRE, Business Unit Manager for Measuring Systems. Digital planning and building information modeling, or BIM, are now the norm for many North American projects. By applying the BIM process, MEP coordination already happens in the design phase of a project. Powered by the data in this BIM model, Jaibot is a complete, self-contained software and hardware system for semi-autonomously drilling, marking, and locating anchor locations overhead. This makes it the perfect solution for faster, safer, and more accurate execution of digitally coordinated MEP systems on the job site. The operating software is easy to use and has simple, guided workflows for each application. This enables a quick ramp-up for operators to safely and productively use this product in the field. The system arrives on site in a container that can be lifted by a forklift or crane, allowing easy access to the working area. When not in use, this container also works as a charging station and secure storage. When it's time to work, the operator simply drives Jaibot out of this container directly to the working area. In transport mode, Jaibot is less than 3 feet wide and less than 5.5 feet tall. This means it can be easily driven through standard doorways or transported in an elevator or hoist. Once in the working area, the first step is to set up the PLT 300, the digital layout system which tracks Jaibot as it moves around the job site. The auto-leveling and auto-stationing features of the PLT with the step-by-step guided workflow make this easy. Once stationed and connected to the Jaibot, the PLT tracks the movement of the prism on the Jaibot arm to within 1/8 of an inch. Jaibot will operate completely cordlessly for 8 hours, and the drilling arm comes complete with a dust shroud connected to a built-in Table 1 compliant vacuum in order to virtually eliminate dust. Additional drill bits, dust bags, consumables, and even a spare drill can all be stored in the on-tool compartments to help maximize productivity and reduce downtime. Jaibot is designed to execute the standard hole sizes for post-install MEP anchors and has an optimal drilling range of 3/16 of an inch to 5/8 of an inch. With the ability to operate with slab heights of between 8.5 and 16.5 feet, this system can work on a wide range of projects in the commercial construction sector. Jaibot syncs with a dedicated project cloud to access the most up-to-date design data, enabling in-field access to the planned anchor locations for the entire project. To get started, the operator selects a drilling size and trade and drives Jaibot into an area as indicated by the software. A simple traffic light system makes it easy to raise the drilling arm to the correct height, and then, at the click of a button, Jaibot will autonomously drill and mark all of the anchor locations within a 6-foot diameter. Jaibot will mark each set of holes with a unique spray pattern, as designated by trade or system type in the BIM model. And in the case of rebar hits or other infield issues, the operator can skip holes or move anchor locations as required. Of course, the as-built hole locations and drill progress sync back to the cloud and can be accessed live in the office. Now that you know how this robotic solution works, let's hear from a Hilti customer who's putting Jaibot to use.
Well, the most important thing, of course, is safety, but also as well productivity on the job and making sure we can move faster, smoother as we can be.
There's a lot of time up and down on the ceiling, laying out, marking the ceiling, getting down off the ladder, moving the ladder, blah blah blah. There's a lot of downtime besides drilling, you know what I mean? And then moving from spot to spot drilling as well is going to be increased dramatically with the Jaibot.
These jobs these days, everything moves too fast, and it can't be wasting any time.
I feel like it was easy to use the Jaibot. I have a base of knowledge on CAD as well as using a total station. So for me to jump right on, it was hitting the ground running. I think that the software base, the ease of use was very good. Moving around the job site with the Jaibot was super easy and convenient, as well as cool,
We could get a lot more holes out of the Jaibot than with one guy one day, going up a ladder, coming down a ladder. And again, with all the equipment involved, the drills and the safety issues with tying off and things like that, the Jaibot just goes and does its thing.
I've been drilling holes for years, and this is absolutely a game changer. It takes a lot off my neck from looking overhead when I'm drilling. The physical aspect of actually drilling holes overhead all day, it's brutal. And this is absolute game changer when it comes to that.
Yeah, anything that saves time or is safer is number one in my book.
I think this is going to become the standard. I think in years to come, this is only the beginning. I think Jaibot is on the forefront of a whole movement.